The Patios and the Solitudes, a poem by B.W. Powe. Allah and Ole are one. The old sage said this on a rag that became a page of seeds in the book you had to find. Córdoba revives the garden in May's sudden turn to cloudless skies and heat. Read us like words, flowers say. Because the world we see is upside down and perception confused, flowers dangle from balconies and rooftops, saying, "Here's joy's hieroglyph in topsy-turvy." The city's patios manifest the wisdom, the science, the revelation, and the healing of dimensions and divisions. On the mornings and evenings flowers fall, walk under their shower, sensing beauty reach towards you. When you're alone in the zero that surrounds you more often than not, recall these worlds and their words and the revival here.